today we're going to be installing a Dashcam with whatever this is. Let's unbox this. Okay, don't know what this is.
Oh yeah.
To get started, we're gonna put this thing right here.
Ahí. Okay.
And then we're gonna plug this thing in and then run it along over here. Yeah. Over here.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this up here, and that camera's facing that way. Do I take this off? So, sticky. Right there. Gonna shove it on there for a few seconds.
Perfect. Ahora pasa el cable por arriba.
And then we're gonna put the cable up here. Ripping this rubber off and shoving, sticking this cable in like this. Okay.
Perfect.
Replace.